last two na lang po, no?
Ay, hello po. Miss Mars from State PH. I direct recording. Congratulations po, Peta, in advance. As always, I'm a fan. Maybe for Jamie, no? Or Direct Maribel, paano po nagkaroon, paano po na nabuo yung, you decided to just stick to one lineup of cast? And it's, di ba bihira po nangyari in a musical, semi-musical play. And maganda po ang takbo ng selling so far, and I'm sure this is gonna be, magkakaroon po tayo ng extension or rerun, and would the cast be willing to, pag nagkaroon ng demand for a rerun, sometime soon or maybe next year, would you still be willing to stick as a one cast or magkakaroon na po tayo ng mga alternatives? Salamat po.
Kasi dahil nga tailor fit or based nga sa based nga sa interview kay Chris Martinez, based sa interviews with them, at saka dun sa architect na represent yung pyesa. So, halimbawa, nung si Mean na yung cast doon, alam niya na artist teacher si Mean, alam niyang nag-i-intimacy coordinator si Mean. So, naka-tailor fit, let's say yun, doon sa track niya bilang character dun sa play. So, ibig sabihin, kaya ang hirap kung halimbawa may alternate si Mean. Kasi mag-iiba uli yung track, di ba? So, kaya din, kumbaga irreplaceable, di ba, si Miss Mean Espinosa. So, ganun siya. So, for practicality and given the time and also to honor din the work, talagang isang set yung napiling characters dun sa lead parts. For the rerun and other parts, it depends on the demand or the schedule or the need for it to be rerun. So, pero definitely, hopefully dun sa 50 shows, feeling ko naman maraming shows yun. Sana po mapanood natin yung doon lang aming i-offer sa theater community. Tita Marilyn?
Basically, they're playing themselves, so you can't get them alternates, di ba? Unless you're double cameras running around. Yeah. So, yun yung basic. That's why, and it's really gonna just be 50 shows, guys. Hindi yung parang nag-focusan kami dito, no? Because UGS also quite busy and everybody else is, no? So, yun talagang na-set na time. So, kung magkakaroon ng, that's not within the year at all. We're really just set with theater.
Yes, 50. And also because ang babae ng septic tank doesn't stay to one place, Eventually, after theater, babae sa septic tank will explore another world. So, please take advantage of ang babae sa septic tank on stage. Take
Guys,
advantage.
hindi showbiz, hanggang 50 lang to. That's it pala.
Okay, clarification na 50 shows lang, so we will promote that. But in advance, I'd like to congratulate already Peta and the cast. Kasi I was very surprised at the teaser that you showed. I really didn't know what to expect. Tapos you have Gino Gonzalez pa, who hardly comes out to make theater these days. So I can imagine the sets and the costumes will be spectacular. But more than that also, I'm very interested to see how Marlon and Chris have adapted this film into theater. And I can imagine already all your pasabogs. And as a theater person myself, I don't mind your making fun of us as a community because we need to laugh more at ourselves because things are good, yes. I've got to see so many shows in different venues from Cinepop to Power Mac to Arete to, the Black Box of Ateneo. And I've never seen theater so vibrant in the Philippines, And it all started with PETA, really. So the fact that you are doing this now, making fun of ourselves, is a fitting celebration of your coming 60th year. And to get Eugene involved is, I think it's going to be a big boost to the theater industry. And I wish more people like Uge join us in theater because I know there was a write-up recently on Facebook where somebody said, why do you keep getting personalities? You know, but they help the industry, you know, by participating, and we all know it's difficult to do theater. We don't pay as much, and yet they sacrifice their time to promote an industry that needs it. So I congratulate you in advance, cast, staff, and PETA. It looks like it's going to be a wonderful run, and it should be sold out all the way.
Yes! Thank you, Sorry. Yan, before po natin i-wrap up, sorry, one question po, last. Okay, sige po, last na po talaga. Alam po. Later naman po, after this, pwede po tayo magkaroon ng mga pocket interview outside the theater. So, pwede po natin silang lapitan mamaya. So, sige po, last question tayo.
Magandang hapon po. I think nakaka-pressure to. I have two questions. So, nung una po, since wala si Sir Chris Martinez, I think si Chang, because it's 50 shows. It's 50 shows, and then the show is PETA tradition. Ang daming pwedeng mangyari sa 50 shows. So, ang gusto ko pong itanong ay meron bang space doon sa script wherein it's going to be updated in a way, or how, parang paano natin i-reflect yun, because again the show is a reflection of Philippine theater and where is it heading. So, yun po yung unang tanong. Sige po, sagutin nyo naman po muna.
Salamat, Fee. You've been also a collaborator for PETA Productions, and since contemporary or new work lagi yung place na ginagawa natin, lagi siyang na-update. Lalo na tong Septic Tank, though may nagawa ng draft kung saan yung tungtungan namin. Buhay yung teatro, ngayon pa lang patuloy pa siya nabubuhay. So, hopefully magkaroon din dahil sa collaboration din ng mga actors na paparating na yung rehearsals. Mapapalamdan pa yun, mas seasoning pa, lalagyan pa ng seasoning. And also, dahil din 50 shows yun, at may mga nangyayari din sa live theater, we hope that it also becomes a platform where we could also ipasok din namin yung mga ganong klaseng issues or ma-double namin. Pero syempre, kailangan din namin maging responsible bilang isang theater company na handling that kind of play para din namin mapapasok or ma-accommodate yung iba't ibang issue sa teatro at sa lipunan natin na may pag-aalaga at mayroon ding accountability. So kailangan din namin maging mindful and careful din. Pero definitely, hopefully, maging updated siya para mas relatable siya sa community. Tita Maribel?
Comedy, right? It's also something that you have to, if it doesn't work, you have to change it, diba? So we'll see, and ang PETA naman ay sanay na mag-devise, mag-improvise and stuff like that, and so are the rest of the actors. Pero hindi naman yung buong script. Pero kung meron kailangan ay update, kung meron kailangan mas workable, and in the process, pakita natin na, oh, this works. I'm sure we're open to that, diba? But of course, at the same time, we have to have the discipline to repeat. Hindi naman pwede araw-araw dinidevise namin yung work.
Yung second question po, I think kanina ang big na ng discussion about yung theater and ang tawag dito saan natin dadalhin and all. I think ang question ko po ay, with all of these things, with all of these big discussions and with all the things that is happening like right now, and again with Babae sa Septic Tank as a platform or as a conversation starter. Ang tanong ko po ay, bakit ang Babae sa Septic Tank yung naisip for this? I think as theater makers, lagi natin tinatanong, why do we do these shows? What's the reason why are we doing a certain show? And I think in terms of value, alam natin yung value ng ang Babae sa Septic Tank, pero I'd like to know the why Babae sa Septic Tank and yun, kung paano niya mas may pupush at madadala kung saan man natin gustong dalhin yung discussion na i-start nitong production na ito. Anyone can answer. Miss Ate Uge, you can answer.
Kasi kung kay Dora, hindi ba? Saka ang hirap, dalawa.
Una, hindi naman, sana oil prices, di ba, tsaka gera, pero wala pa naman nung napag-isipan ito. But I think Septic has always been that kind of a material as a franchise, di ba? Independent cinema, poverty porn, the proliferation of rom-coms. So, and then of course, historical revisionism for the series, yung naging series na yun. So it's always been, ang posture lagi ng Septic Tank is yung mapapansin, alam mo gano'n, yung mapanglait minsan, di ba? So I think it's a good vehicle, it's an appropriate material to interrogate whatever we need to interrogate right now, di ba? So, kung anong uso, doon naman kami tumitira talaga ni Chris, di ba? So, it's about Philippine theater, and it's really, I have never seen Philippine theater this alive. And si matatanda dito, di ba wala, ang tagal na, di ba? Ang tagal na. So, ito, I think Septic is a good vehicle for this. Also because I think we're also insiders. I mean, Uge is of course, DUP, di ba? So, lahat kami insiders. So, parang hindi siya ganun na namumuna ng tagalabas. Kasi lahat naman tayo insider dito, di ba? I mean, lahat naman tayo nasa loob ng teatro. So, I think it's a good, those two things, I think, the DNA of Septic Tank and the others that we're all in this together, sabi nga na High School Musical, di ba? So, I think it's just appropriate. It's really just appropriate to do this right now.
Just to add din from PETA, well, aside from it was pitched by the Marketing and Publicity Department of PETA, because it was initially thought of, kasi ano pa ba yung mga na-feature yung PETA ensemble dun sa mga plays, and babae sa Titak 1, they featured PETA as an ensemble. And then when we got it, parang instead of just adapting or parang remaking, even the title itself, parang, ang maganda opportunity to kasi lahat ng Septic Tank franchise ay may ini-interrogate na mga industriya, mga forms and art forms. So naging parang opportunity rin siya na okay, mag-60 years na yung PETA, golden age ng Philippine theater. Gamitin din natin na para baka it's time na ilagay natin sa Septic Tank tayo bilang isang art community or theater community. And that means i-antiseptic siya, lilinisin, paghihiwalayin kung ano ang madumi sa ganito. So may self-reflexivity tsaka pag-critique. And it was also because PETA is doing a narrative change program, meaning we're using theater to interrogate the narratives that's controlling us as a society. So I think it's a very apt opportunity na sa title pa lang ng Septic Tank, kung saan nilalagay natin ang ating sarili at yung komunidad na bahagi tayo. Magandang, yung Septic Tank is a great choice to be done as a play for PETA this season. So, I hope I answered your question, Fee.
Congratulations.
Salamat, Delphine.
Thank you po. And that wraps up our Q&A. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga tanong ninyo and for being with us today. No? Yes. And